Hi, I'm David with RapidMaterials. Today we're going to talk about the Premium Express Soldering Iron Kit from Freund. This kit comes with everything you need to get started except for the solder itself, and includes the Express 36780 self-igniting soldering iron. You'll need a propane source to complete a proper setup. A standard propane cylinder like the one attached to your barbecue grill will work perfectly. The kit includes a fitting designed to fit all American propane cylinders of this type. This iron works great for zinc, copper, and stainless steel and features a patented CERCO burner for a fast 70-second warm-up. The kit also includes a UL classified pressure regulator with LP cylinder fitting and quick connect fitting. Both are made of solid brass for fast connection and disconnection of the soldering iron and hose from the tank. A 12-foot UL listed hose and a soldering block holder that has built-in brush holder, flux canister, and ammonia stone are also included in the kit. Express gel soldering flux for new metals, as well as a soldering fluid bottle and flux brushes are included. Let's get this set up so you can see just how quick and easy it is to get ready to use. Attach the quick connect fitting to the end of the soldering iron handle and tighten with a wrench. Then install the other end of the quick connect fitting to one end of the hose. Next, fit the pressure regulator to the other end of the hose and tighten with a wrench. Attach the pressure regulator to the gas fitting on the propane cylinder. Snug by hand, then tighten 1/4 to 1/2 turn with a wrench. Do not over-tighten. Finally, connect the hose to the soldering iron with the quick connector by pushing the quick connect ring back and inserting the mill fitting. Once the soldering iron is set up to your satisfaction, turn on the gas supply at the propane canister and check for leaks. The red knob on the left-hand side of the iron controls the flow of gas. Turn the knob until there is some gas flow, then press the red ignition button to light the flame. It's normal for the flame to escape through the top of the iron. Once lit, turn the gas flow up or down to control the flame and heat. Before you solder with the iron for the first time, it's important to tin the copper tip. Tinning is simple. Allow the iron to warm up fully, then brush some solder flux over the part of the tip to be tinned. Next, apply solder directly to the tip until it is bright silver. If you ever need to reshape the tip, you can file it down, then retin using the same process. To clean the solder tip, press and drag each side of the iron tip across the ammonia block. Let the iron cool completely before disconnecting and placing back into the kit. Thanks for watching our video today. Visit RapidMaterials.com for more information about this great soldering iron kit. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great videos.